Oh. Okay.
Welcome to Wake Up Giselle Podcast.
So before we started, Sab was asking the question kasi nga keeping up with the goods,
What?
the tour of the
The guts. Olivia Rodrigo. Ito na naman tayo. Olivia.
So it's Olivia Rodrigo
Keeping up with the goods tour. Hindi ba yung iba yung it takes goods.
It takes goods.
It takes guts to be a goods. That's it. Just a selfie for the IG.
The Olivia Rodrigo tour will feature JM Rodriguez. Hindi ba?
Bakit?
It's not? Parang sponsored by Cornetto.
Ano daw? Olivia Rodrigo Dudes.
Sino yung Cornetto guy?
Franco.
No.
Jasper.
The other guy, the Studio 23 guy. Diba?
Oh, I like that guy. Si reporter ngayon.
Hindi. So, diba, it's JM Rodriguez.
Yeah.
Yun yung nagigitara?
No, he's an events guy.
An events guy. Who is JM Rodriguez?
He's a guy who
Sino yung nasa that thing called Tadhana?
That's JM Rodriguez? Hindi. JM de Guzman.
Man. He's not the guy that went on the pod, diba? Who's that guy? The comedian? The Filipino comedian?
Who? Stop. What are you talking about?
No, I mean, diba we had a comedian on the pod?
Yeah, but don't do that. Like, guess it, the person.
I didn't mean... I mean... That's not...
Anyway, talking about JM de Guzman. Are we talking about JM de Guzman? He's gonna be at the Guts tour? Sobrang nag-fake news. So he's gonna be flying down.
So
speaking of, I have a short film with JM from back then. Don't watch it because I got a really low grade for that. I did.
Shout out to
Maria Mora. Love you. She was my teacher. I get it. It's correct. Tamang behavior yung that short film I did. It was not great.
So okay.
James and Donalyn are together na.
Who's Donalyn?
She was from what I know, she was doing some problematic stuff, pretending to be a baby for her birthday.
Oh.
Correct? If I'm wrong.
That is strange, but sino yung gumawa nung yung parang yung sobrang not tasteful na ano yun? Parang squatter chic. Siya yun.
If I'm not mistaken.
Patron saint of productivity.
Yes.
Okay. So Sab was asking me kasi nung nalaman namin na yung It Takes Guts tour will be in Philippine Arena, I was like, okay, no way. Never. Not doing it. Not doing It Takes Guts. Or kasi I just don't want to go to Philippine Arena. I don't want to go through the traffic. I don't want to I want to pee in comfort. And I think that's my main thing about like festivals now. It's I don't know, it's my age, pero it's just I just want to pee.
Yeah, it's your age.
Peacefully. So when we watched Wilco in Japan, aircon, the bathroom was just literally like you just go there and you bathroom. You have the beer station is there, so you can just have a beer. Keep getting beer. Kasi yun yung hindi ko gets eh. Like, if we do watch like Takes Guts, you buy one beer, you go to your seats, kasi ito yung nangyari nung Billie Eilish eh. And then parang you have to walk, 30 minutes and wait for another 30 minutes to get another beer?
You know, it is your age because we never had to think about those things when we were watching concerts before. I never thought of
I've
having
never
to
been
do
a concert guy kasi I just perform at concerts.
Ay, taray! What's your first concert?
Watched?
Yeah.
Alone?
I mean, like
as not with parents, ganun.
Not with parents.
Oh my God.
I remember mine.
What?
Incubus, PICC.
Your parents weren't there?
My parents were not there, but my mom sent her best friend Jet to kind of chaperone because Jet has been like super great taste in music. He's the one who, gave me all my The Strokes CDs. Super cool. I love Jet. Jet Valia, shout out, love you, miss you. Um, and so sumama siya sa amin. Tapos it was me and my brother and then him. It was fun.
Aw.
Yeah.
Ako,
Di mo maalala? Ano ba yan?
hindi, kasi it's confusing eh. Kasi
Forgettable?
like, considered concert ba kunwari, let's say it was a Wolfgang show in Ateneo High School covered courts?
I guess.
That a
If
concert?
that's considered, edi ang dami ko yung napuntahang concert.
Oh, because your daddy?
Yeah, it's like, duh.
Well, I guess the first serious one, I can't believe I don't remember, but
Anyway, well, okay, so ano yung sagot mo dun sa kung sino yung artist?
who would I go to Philippine Arena and watch? LCD Sound System, The Strokes, Taylor Swift, Arcade Fire.
Chapel Roan. I would do anything for Chapel Roan.
I will not. I love her, but I'm not. Oh, by the way, big news on the pod. I like the Please Please Me thing.
Sabrina Carpenter.
Yeah, that
Wait.
song.
Breaking news! Padala kayo ng pera para mag-celebrate.
I wouldn't even... Oh, give me a sec.
Give me a sec. We've got a guest on the pod. Please Please Me. Hindi Please Please Me, Jim. That's a Beatles song. It's Please Please Please. Please Please Please. Pero ayaw pa rin niya yung nonsense.
Hindi ko bet.
Pero espresso gets mo. Think about me.
I like that part.
Isn't that me? I guess so.
I like that part.
Mali yung lyrics.
Okay, so...
Isn't that me? I guess so.
Sino pa ba?
Bedcam. I like Bedcam.
Boys to Men, I would watch at Philippine Arena.
Tsura ko. I mean, I'd watch them at Araneta.
Kidding.
I watched Neo. That was so fun. I watched Neo in Araneta.
Why would that be fun?
I was so... Neo songs. Guys, rundown.
No.
Neo songs.
No,
Come on.
I love them.
So sick of love songs.
I love naman Neo eh. Ang issue ko is, siguro
It was so fun. And then it was so fun because I watched it with my college girlfriends. So fun.
Siguro, yung ano ko lang with the Billie Eilish thing was, I just found it boring. Like, it was like, I was pretty far, and she was just like this tiny ant, and everything was synthetic.
I can't believe you're saying I can't believe these words are coming out of your mouth.
No, I didn't
right
like the
now.
setup eh. Sana man lang she had a big band. Sana, parang,
Yeah, it was
I'll-
parang siyang last minute. Oh my
ganon.
God.
Totoo naman eh.
Don't cancel us.
Really, it was very,
I still
parang I don't even
appreciate it.
remember, parang wala nga atang lights eh.
Meron naman. I appreciated it, and also she did bring energy. She gave it her best. Yeah, really. She did.
Ako,
Na-feel ko naman. I didn't feel like she was like doing bare minimum. I didn't. I feel ko na parang she was like trying to, hype the crowd. And I loved when she did the acoustic thing with Phineas.
yeah. Ganito, if given a choice, ako, let's say pay 1.5 for, the best seats in the house. Best seats. 1.5 at Philippine Arena.
Mm.
1.5
Sorry,
best seats
because
in the
for
house.
the concept of the guts thing, for those who weren't here earlier, Olivia Rodrigo is selling her tickets for 1.5 flat rate. Pero hindi mo alam kung saan ka uupo. And maximum of 4 tickets per batch. So yung 4 na tickets na yon, for sure magkakatabi kayo. Pero you don't know where in the arena you will be seated.
Galing. I
I
what
love
she
it.
did. Pero here's the thing, Sabi. For 1.5, best seats in the house, Philippine Arena, I would opt for paying 15,000, medyo likod, pero sa
Malapit sa banyo.
Dencios.
Ha?
I mean like Metro tent or
15,000 ang babayaran mo?
I'd rather pay 15,000 to be in the middle of, let's say, ano yun? Samsung Hall.
No, absolutely not.
Ah.
That is the most not sound idea.
Why?
Because like
You know what would be awesome? You know what would be awesome?
what?
What would be really fucking awesome?
What?
In a church.
I don't think you're allowed to make money.
Kuwari, LCD sound
You're not
system
allowed.
in a church.
It's not allowed.
Tapos dun ka sa choir section. Woo! Tapos unlimited drinks. May banyo.
May
pay-
ostya.
Huh?
Snacks. Joke lang.
Pay
Let's not go in there. Let's not go there. Go in there.
Oh, sige, not a church. Let's say, ano ba? What's a good bed? Like, a furniture store.
That would be cool, but I would not pay 15,000 for that.
I would. If,
No,
let's say,
I would
depending
not.
on the bed. Quite the Strokes? Oh. The Strokes at Blims.
Sure na makakaupo ako sa sofa?
Hindi. The point is, maganda yung acoustics. Hindi maganda sa Blims. Puro glass. Ano bang... Parang ang na-imagine ko kasi, like, kuwari, at
Sa IKEA.
maraming glass ang gusto ko sana is like, something cold.
Sa Shopee warehouse.
Or
So,
like,
maraming gamit para maganda yung sound, gano'n.
maganda yung carpet.
Uratex. Ronak Center.
Ronak Center. The basketball court.
Actually, kamusta yung basketball court doon?
Maganda.
I mean, it's still there.
Yeah.
Apparently, they flew in like the NBA floor, right? Tama ba?
Moro yun.
Ay, sorry.
Anyway, I have some stories, actually. I would like to finally discuss on the pod. Here we go.
Okay.
Okay. Number 1. Drunk mauling.
We've done that. We've talked about that.
We didn't.
We did. In Podium?
We did na ba?
Yeah, we did. We did. Ano ba
We
yan?
did.
We did.
Na dapat it's the new publication.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. I wrote here big boobs. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Kasi something that Sav and I discussed, right? Remember?
Okay.
Okay.
The silence is so loud. Sabi ni Clara.
Okay. Okay.
Lord!
How do I say this? What we talked about was me and my
Oh my God.
me and my friends, which is the band Manny. If we have a boys' night out, okay, our boys' night out consists of quote unquote making fun of each other, like guys do,
Mhm.
but in the not Joel Villanueva type of way, in the not Bong Revilla type of way.
I don't get it.
It's basically just imagine a bunch of nerds.
Okay.
Okay. So, I asked Sab this question. Na when someone,
So,
huh? I don't know. What?
sige, go.
Wait.
I don't know kasi what you're gonna say. I'm getting stressed.
Okay.
Stop it. Okay, go. Go ahead. You wanted to talk about this. Let's go.
Actually, I think I wrote it lang because I wanted to do. You know how, remember when we did Let's Talk About Sex, Baby?
I don't remember that.
Yeah. So, anyway.
Mm.
Ito pala yung point. Ito yung thesis statement.
Okay,
ko.
thank God. Okay, what is
Ito yung
it?
thesis statement. When Sab has when Sab asks me, like, how do I look? Okay.
Mhm.
And you're
Nasa-stress na rin yung podcast. Where is this going?
and your chest is revealing,
Oh my God. Okay.
right?
My chest is revealing. My chest is revealing.
I say, wow, you look great.
That's true. I
Um,
love that for me.
I say, wow, you look great.
I love that. It's so refreshing because from my past experiences with other boyfriends, it's always like, sarado mo yan. Like, just cover up. And it's like, what the fuck? Like, nanay ko nga hindi ako sinasabihin mag-cover up. Ikaw pa. Diba? So, every time, like, I'm always like, honestly, up to this day, I get a little shocked. Like, or surprised when Jim is like, wow, you look great. And like, he likes it. And like, parang, and he's always like, go. Parang kumbaga, kulang na lang, parang, go, girl. Like, I don't know why I'm snapping my fingers. But it's very like, love it.
So I do want to ask actually if parang kasi okay, so the reason ito sorry, ang gulo. What I want to
Self-awareness is key.
what I want to discuss is, so when Sam goes out and then let's say a guy, he will naturally glance quickly, like, because it's something as
Biological.
it's something biological.
Yeah, you know the logic behind that.
What?
And correct me if I'm wrong,
Food?
because I'm not a scientist. But guys, parang males, biologically, they look at the body of the woman kasi nga they are looking parang, can this person carry my children? Parang ganon agad.
Yun ang first,
Because
not even
hips,
eat.
Kakainin mo yung boobs niya?
No, I mean like parang milk.
Yes. So, yun nga, because, yeah, not for him.
Ganun ba? Hindi ba
For the
biological?
child.
Like, kasi I thought na parang because in childhood, you were eating
That's also that.
food from that.
There's that.
And then you grow up, oh, may pizza. Mang ganun. Gets mo? Parang like,
Parang, nostalgic.
no, I mean like parang maybe somewhere down the brain.
Yeah.
So siguro ang question ko is like, let's say kunwari, you go to a social event and then someone suddenly puts out a box of pizza and it's glorious, it's melting, the cheese crusts, there's burnt marks on the cheese, right? Pepperoni is like, and then boy, may pizza.
Okay.
Whoa, my God, may pizza. So, does that apply sa boobs?
I guess.
And the reason why we talked about this is because Sab, when we talked about it, sabi ni Sab like, ano ba yung ganun sa guys?
No, walang ganun sa guys because
like parang would like what if a guy came to a party, let's say dumating si JM De Guzman. Kore dumating si
JM Rodriguez.
JM Rodriguez at a party and like wag na si JM Rodriguez.
Okay,
Si Tom Holland.
Okay.
Tom Holland. Okay, dumating. And his pants.
No, it's not that. Nope, that does not do anything for me
Kore
personally.
butas yung crotch area ng.
No, I would be like, go to the bathroom. Cover up.
No, it was a style. Kung style.
Okay, I'll let you finish.
Or kung ganito. Let's say si Jay-Z dumating na naka-bench yoga pants sa party, okay? Tapos syempre, medyo bakat yung tubo.
Oh my God, Jim, what the fuck?
Why?
I can't believe you just said. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry here.
Why?
How crass. My God.
Bakit crass?
Yung tubo. What the heck? When have you ever used that word?
Kasi di ba si Jay-Z is known naman talaga.
Caravan says, I have not had enough coffee. What the heck?
Hindi, I mean, di ba Jay-Z naman talaga is really known to be anaconda?
I don't know. Who says that? Pete Davidson.
Hindi siya fit eh. Kasi parang kay Jay-Z, it's a biological. LeBron James, kunwari.
Okay, like, okay. I feel like we're stereotyping here. I mean, why not stick with Tom Holland?
It's a good stereotype,
okay?
though.
Well, okay. Going back, ang point mo is, what's the equivalent of boobs na cannot help
like,
I don't mean to sexualize you, but I can't.
That's ito pala. That's after 30 minutes,
Yeah,
this is, I finally, na parang, like, there's someone who kind of came in a bra. Okay?
Zipping up right here.
Came in a bra. And I'm not, like, the point is, hindi nga isa-sexualize yun. Pero like, someone came in a bra at a party. You would
To be fair, I would also.
You would glance, like, boom.
No, that's not a glance.
No.
That's not a glance. Boom.
No. Like, boom, boom. Alis. Boom, alis. Ganon. What do you mean?
I'm doing it.
Yun. Wow, that was subtle, huh? Yeah, OA yun eh. So, kunwari, my question is, Sabi, you're not sexualizing it, right? Like pizza, balik.
Okay.
Oy, may pizza, balik. Ganon.
What is the question?
What is the equivalent of that for guys?
Bakit natubo? No, just kidding. So a couple of things, like, for me, like, definitely, like, oh my God, sobrang annoying, but like, guys, come on, like the smile. But okay, fine. Let's talk about the body. Okay, biceps.
Oh, Clara said biceps.
But sometimes if you're wearing nice pants, I'll be like, oh, cute butt. I always say, like, right?
So you look quite like, oh, that guy, quite yun nga, naka-yoga pants nga si Jay-Z.
I don't think yoga pants, like, what yoga pants? Like Lululemon na naka-flares, ganon. Like, look at my butt. Like, no, yoga. What do you mean by yoga pants?
Like, kasi dun ba bakit yung pants eh? Like, or like yung suot ni Manny nga nung high school?
Manny, what do you mean? Oh my God, stop it.
Hindi. Remember when I asked Manny for my play to...
Jim, but the guys don't wear, like, at a party.
Ano yung pinasuot ko kay Manny? Pantyhose.
Guys don't wear that. So...
kunwari do women... Originally ba women wore bras at an event?
They do.
They do now because it became a fashion thing, right? So if tomorrow it's a fashion thing that guys wear pantyhose.
Well, that wouldn't do it for me because I don't like skinny jeans on guys.
So you wouldn't even look at the butt. Hindi ka mapapaglance? Like, oy, puwet.
I don't think so. Is this objectification 101? No, we're talking about like biological
Kuwari, mukhang biceps ang width.
Yeah, biceps, right? When they go like this.
So dapat pala
that's why everybody's attracted to Carmen.
Because
of
the arms.
And that white shirt is apparently sold out. It's a Japan brand.
Lauren says calves. So kung naka-shorts,
pag kumari football player, ganun.
Kung naka-shorts, titingin ka sa, uy, calves, ganun.
Yeah. Ako siguro, ice. It's true though, like, I don't know.
Mukhang biceps talaga.
Yeah. Pero yung, the smell.
Kung naglalush?
Yeah. Like, I ooh. Nose bridge. That's very...
very specific.
Very specific. No, ako eyebrows. What?
Eyebrows?
Yeah. I think you have perfect eyebrows.
So, kunwari.
See? Oh, true brows.
Okay. Okay. So, honestly,
Pero it's honestly, I think it's the whole package and not the sexual package, but like the whole package. Like if you think about it, like I don't know, like I really find Tom Holland attractive because he's just so sweet and like yung smile niya. Sobrang OA, sorry. That's like you're not there. Sobrang like he's so sweet towards Zendaya and yung relationship niya with his brothers, like parang hindi ko nga alam kung gusto ko siyang jowain or gusto ko siya maging anak.
Caravan. Tom Holland is also ripped.
That's true. The biceps, that's
true.
true.
Like, you could say whatever you want. But anyway, I have another question.
Yeah.
So, what would be your advice to guys? Let's say they're going to a social thing, like a house party.
Mhm.
Okay?
Don't look at boobs.
No.
That's my advice. Don't be a creep.
What?
Try your best.
And let's say may type siyang girl doon. Okay? May type siyang girl doon. Wants to get noticed.
Mm.
What should he wear?
Yoga pants. Pantyhose. It's so funny because for us, for girls, it's like, kumare, we do like biceps, pero kung nakasando ka like at a party that's not like, it's like you're not at the beach, it's like, no.
Yun nga eh. Sana, bakit hindi acceptable magsando for guys?
Kasi siguro ano siya, parang for you also, like, it can't be like the whole chest is just bare. Put a little, you know.
This is a good question
subtlety.
from Caravan.
Para may
And I'd
konting
like to ask all the
mystery.
women here. Ang sneakers game ba? For like, do girls look at the sneakers and will that help how they see the guy?
I think it's not the sneaker per se, but just the whole, if the style is like, if
It's a no.
if
It looks
feel-
like
yeah,
a
it's
no.
not, no, yeah, it's not the sneaker game per se, but if it looks like you have,
It's a whole
parang
thing.
it's a whole, parang, oh, you tried.
Hindi.
Parang you put an effort into looking nice today. So that's
or
like,
or
aw,
or hindi, para sabi like ganito.
may direction ka sa buhay. Check.
Kunwari, let's say yung sneakers niya ay, let's say it's really nice. Let's say it's basta like kunwari maganda.
Mm.
Pero yung polo niya ay parang may dragon,
Yeah.
right? May malaking
Yeah.
dragon tapos nakasulat like Pacquiao forever or whatever. Or
I would steer clear.
Hindi, ang point ko is it's more of the overall composition of the thing.
Yes,
Right?
absolutely.
So like
And also,
he
if
could wear Havaianas with socks.
Because honestly, there could be a story behind that. If honestly, pwedeng, my God, I stepped on poop, and you know, it's a whole thing. You
Ah.
can't, and it would be a conversation starter. So it doesn't really matter. Super, it's the way you present yourself. Who cares what you're wearing?
Bakit with socks?
Bakit with socks?
No, I would prefer
Bakit
seriously.
hindi nakapag-pedicure?
Ako, if in a public setting, a guy goes to a party and he wants to do flip-flops, wear fucking socks.
Don't go to the party na lang.
Or don't go to the party. Socks ka lang. Ako,
and
I
honestly,
prefer
sa akin,
Islanders, actually.
It's for guys, I do appreciate good hygiene. Like, please floss. You know?
That's a good...
Parang you could be wearing something nice, you could pero if it's like it's a red flag for me na parang, wait, you don't take care of yourself. How will you take care of me? Charot.
How about so basically, how come some guys can get away with like being mukha silang basura?
Dugyot chic.
Oh, ganon. Paano nagiging ganon? Paano nagiging chic yung basura?
But ewan ko, it's Riz. I feel like if I were a guy, like I'd have absolute Riz.
Ay, oo.
So magano. Saan mamaya? Lagi nga, we always joke about it. Like, yung nga dito.
So,
and guys who have long hair and then like tuck their hair like
it's
that.
the face.
Love it.
That's what everyone is saying. It's the face. So
The
parang
smile, the smile because they have confidence. It's
because
like,
they have confidence.
uy, singi baby.
Yeah. Gets. So na parang
Guys, going.
kasi I have seen guys that like sobrang ganda ng forma, pero you could see as soon as you see them, like they look like they're stressed.
Yeah.
Gets mo?
Mm.
Am I like that?
I don't know.
I mean, when you first saw me, did I look
It was a cute kind of stressed because parang you were
a fish out of water?
parang you're like excited to see me.
And then when we weren't
Ano?
dating,
Ikaw? You look stressed?
no, ano yung
What?
takeaway mo?
Wala lang. You were what, at the calf ganon?
No, like at a party or something.
Saya. We would dance together.
Yeah.
Like the Justin Bieber, right? Alam mo bang nakita ko, I saw this reel, which is so true, na girls just like, parang it's so intoxicating to them when they're with their partner. And it's just like, it will never get old when they ask like, so what did you think when you first saw me?
That's what I'm doing now.
Kwento mo.
Yun
Ganun.
yung ginagawa
I know,
ko.
exactly. It's like, kwento
I
mo,
think
sige
nadala ko sa
nga.
riz mo.
No, but I
Nadala ko
always,
sa riz mo.
I had a crush on you. You know that. You know, gusto mo marinig eh. Ikaw talaga.
Really?
Ganyan.
Oh my God.
Kumagalala, babe.
Okay, Dota tayo. So, okay, I guess that's a really good tip. Na go in, try to be as confident in yourself as possible.
And show off your biceps.
Show off your biceps.
And your calves. Ang dami, no? And your butt.
Yeah. Because I do remember like the times I'm trying to go back kasi to the times na ako talaga when I would go to a party or a house party, like even if I had no girl in mind, syempre, parang it was always such a struggle for me to like, what do I wear? What, what? And then every time when I'm there, as soon as I get there, I'm like, tang ina, nandito yung sinuot ko.
Bakit? Bakit?
I guess I just really, I guess I was so anxious.
Mm.
But the main difference is, kaya ako sinasabi na tamang confidence. Kasi, pag gig, atang ina. Ganon.
I remember watching you at Magnet High Street.
Pag
You
gig,
had these like super neon bright shoes. And I was just like, cute. Remember? Well,
Yeah.
I mean, you weren't my boyfriend back then, but I was like telling my friends, like, kilala ko yan. Kilala ko yan. Last week kayo sa sa'yo. Kainis.
I think-
Supras, ano ba yung suot mo nun?
No. It was Nike. They were Nike Dunks.
Dunks yun. Siyempre parang, oy, skater boy. Charot. Kainis.
And Top Man hoodie.
Oh, that was like the dream combo back then. It was like Top Man hoodie. Check.
Top Man hoodie. Dunks.
People are people.
Skinny J's.
A ka muna. A. Skater ba? Pero hindi ka naman skater.
Si Manny naka-pantyhose ata nun eh.
Stop with the Manny slander. Andito ba si Therese?
Okay.
Sumbong ka niyan.
So,
Wait, I was gonna say something. Nakalimutan ko. Anyway.
I think kaya, for me,
Okay, I remember na.
I think, sorry, this is
Okay,
my, I want to make
Okay.
some sense of this
Okay, I forget what I'm gonna say.
nonsensical pod.
Okay.
Quick lang.
Okay, go.
When it was a gig, I didn't even think about needing Riz. Because I knew what I wanted to do that night, and alam mo, parang, so therefore, parang, okay, if I don't get to talk to anyone, I came here to perform. And obviously, not everyone's gonna have that. But in a social setting, even before you go there, kaya ako lost in every party that I went to. I was like, I'd be, ano ba objective ko dito? Parang ganon. So therefore, it would probably be seen in my face.
It's Jim's face. Hi. Jim has a super wild resting bitch face.
Oh, what were
Ito,
you gonna say?
pag nakikinig siya sa'yo.
What were you gonna
What
say?
I was gonna say is, so first of all, I'm not
Sorry. Last.
okay.
My son.
This is what not to do at a party.
For those at the playback, on playback,
Mm.
after this, we will watch the greatest resting bitch face video ever. Game? Game? I'm so ashamed of it, but I'll do it for the playback.
Okay.
Okay. Go.
I was gonna say, I don't speak for all women, duh. But for me, parang when I was in college, FYI, like I never thought of like, ano kaya magugustuhan ng guys in what I wear. It's really not. It's really more of like dressing for the other girlies. Like, oh, parang anong vibe mo? Oh my gosh, like matchy-matchy or like parang same, ano. It's just like a fun thing. And then you learn later on na parang it's about, what matters most is like that you feel cute in what you're wearing. It's like, cute. Like, I love it. Like, felt cute. Ganon. So, ayun. So, for guys naman who are highly anxious like you, who are overthinking, I think the main takeaway from this is from what girls are saying that they like the biceps, the good hygiene, the calves. It's more about like stop trying to overthink it. And what's important is that you look like you take care of yourself, because then it feels like I will feel safe with you because you know how to take care of yourself. Like you do proper hygiene, you exercise, you blah 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 blah. Then I feel like parang as a mammal, I feel like good match. You make me feel safe.
Ganda.
I Jane. Gets mo? So
Yeah.
parang just take care of yourself, and then I will be attracted because when you take care of yourself, you will be super full of confidence because you're happy and you're, so it will radiate. And I'll be like, that.
Kasi ako nung time na yun, my main concern was my fashion.
Wala may
Because
pake sa dunks mo.
my fashion is the only way I can represent myself at this social gathering.
Of course.
So that's why I was like, who am I?
Of course, because especially at that age, it's all about like looking for identity. So
Yep.
that's the correct life stage
Yeah,
for you to explore.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Okay. Bye, podcast.
Bye.